Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday, July the 8th. The Kies show is actually tomorrow in Jersey. Tomorrow's Sunday, and we're not going to be taking this car. Obviously, we're not taking this car either, but we are taking the F32. So, yeah, I'm doing some last minute things on the car. So luckily my parts came in. I found these from somebody that was selling them in South Carolina. So they were able to get them out to me on Wednesday. They got delivered today. So I get to install them. And then it'll pair up nicely with my M-Performance shift knob. So the moment that I got this shift knob, I knew that I needed to get something else in Alcantara. So why not get the e-brake and the armrest? Yeah, let's go ahead and install it. I'm not gonna do a tutorial because it's pretty easy. I already kind of started taking this off. So that's how it looks. Get one last view of it. So I already pulled this off. This took some force to pull out. And then this is pretty simple. There's already a couple of videos about the install, so I'm gonna skip that part. And then I'm just gonna show you guys the final results. All right, guys, look how good this looks. Just got done installing these. So we have the e-brake handle, the armrest, and also we now have a sliding armrest, which we didn't have before. So if you guys notice, this is actually wet carbon. The previous owner, he actually had these replaced. So normally you get like a dry carbon, which looks almost identical, but once you touch it, it's actually different. But he also replaced the e-brake handle. So we have a glossy carbon, and then the only thing that's dry is the shift knob. But like I said, once it's on there, depending on the angle, you can't really tell. But this is more noticeable, so I think it goes well with everything else that I have going on here. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, so here's the first stop. Shit, my diffuser popped out. Yeah, I've been having the worst luck with this diffuser popping off. It's ridiculous. Anyways, I guess I'll fix it when I get over there. At least I know it's not gonna come off. Anyways, alright guys, it's time to hit the road. Got a little bit of track tape on there where I think the more impactful areas are gonna be at. Hopefully that's all it takes. But if not, I'll probably make another stop somewhere and then put some more. But anyways, it is 6 o'clock and we got like a 5-hour trip to go. So this is the first stop. We just got into Virginia and the tape that I placed is not holding up. We ended up hitting some rain, and I guess because I rushed it, I didn't stick it on there that well, and it started to lift up. Part of it ended up flying off and stuck to the fender and the door. But we're 2 hours in, and I think we're gonna have to go over with some more tape just to try to hold it in place. New Jersey. Now it's just time to give the car a wash. The wheels are the main part that need it. So if you guys look how dirty they are from the inside, these were actually clean at the show, but now they're completely black again. So we're gonna clean up the car. But before I end the video, I just want to give a big shout out to Brian and the team for hosting a amazing car show. I know it's stressful. It was great seeing some familiar faces and meeting new people as well. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.